my God.
All right, guys, this is one of the best mountain biking locations in Southern California. This is San Clemente Dog Park. Check this out. This trail's called Sloppy Seconds. It's so awesome.
Dog park, baby, dog park. Left right here, yep. Hell yeah. Yup. 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 Choo! Hell yeah. Oh shit! Oh my God! I almost ate shit! Oh shit! Oh my God! Oh my! I applied right into the side, dude. Oh.
All right, guys, when I'm not hiking and I'm not camping, you will find me mountain biking, and I have that high energy on the bike. So go ahead and subscribe, all you mountain bikers. I will also be posting mountain biking videos from some gnarly stuff to some more chill stuff. And that's it. Here we go. Nature Hardwired out.